So let's say we want to burn a CD out of Rhapsody that we can play in a regular CD player, a portable CD player, or maybe in your car CD player. To do this, go over to Sources and click on My Library. And now we're going to select some tracks that we want to burn to a CD. Please note that you can only burn either imported songs or purchased tracks onto a CD. So to select some tracks to put onto a CD, go ahead and select any track you want, and then you can go ahead and hold down Control and use this to select multiple tracks. So I'm going to go ahead and select some tracks in my library that I want to put on a CD. Okay, so once I've made my selection, now I'm going to click and hold on these tracks, and I'm going to drag over under Sources, and I'm going to put my cursor on top of Burn a CD. You can see the plus sign there, and I'm going to release. Now I'm going to click on Burn a CD, and as you can see here under Burn a CD, all my tracks have been added into Burn a CD. From here, I can rearrange the tracks just by clicking and dragging, and this allows me to have ultimate control over which track I want first on the disc and which track I want last on the disc. Once I'm happy with my rearranging, I'm going to go ahead and put a blank CD into my CD burner. Please note that you must have a CD burner installed in your computer in order to burn a CD, although most modern computers come with them standard. Once I've inserted a blank CD, I'm going to go ahead and go to the right hand side of the Rhapsody jukebox, and I'm going to hover on this button that says Start Burn. As you can see, it says Burn this playlist to CD, and when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and click this button. If we look down here at the bottom, we see two progress bars. This first one shows the space used on the CD, so I've used almost half of this CD. And the second one is a progress bar for the burning, and it tells of the status of the burning and how far we are till completion. Once your disc has finished burning, it will pop up in Rhapsody as a CD that you can import, but since we already have these tracks in our library, we don't need to import it. And you can confirm over here under Sources that this is in fact a playable CD. And that concludes this segment on burning a CD in Rhapsody.